Hey, are you looking to find out what it takes to rank on the front page of Google this week? If so, you found the perfect series for you where every week I'll walk you through what it takes to rank on the front page of Google at the very top of Google based on SERP huge data set that includes millions of keywords, hundreds of millions of URLs, billions of data points, and thousands of SEO factors that we crunch every week and present to you in a simple Excel spreadsheet. Hi, my name is Jason Brown. I'm the co founder of SERP and the inventor of SERP tracking. And this week, for August 1st, I show you what it takes to rank on the front page, top of Google, based on all of the data that we collect. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. So here we go. We're looking at August 1st here. Now, before I show you the list, go ahead and take a second to make a comment. And whoever gets this comment right, I'm going to pick one of you all for a special prize. I'm not going to let you know what it is just yet, but go ahead and type in what you think the number one factor this week is that is causing websites to rank on the front page of Google, the top of Google, based on page SEO. Go ahead and drop that in there. We will pick one winner. I'll let you know privately, but go ahead and do that. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what we've collected. So for this week, page size is the number one correlating factor that we are pulling out based on page SEO that's causing websites to rank on the front page of Google at the top of Google. I didn't say it was the only factor. I didn't say that, if you just do this, that you'll rank. There's obviously many other things that go into it, but this is the number one correlating factor, or maybe the most important factor that we can correlate to what pages are doing on the front page that are ranking that other websites in the top 100 are maybe getting wrong. Okay, let's go to number 2. And that is keywords in titles. Yeah, having your keyword in title is always an important SEO metric. It takes number 2 this week. My favorite, the keywords in H2. This is my favorite because I have done this series for years now. I haven't put it on YouTube, but I've been checking what it takes to rank on the front page of Google for years based on data that we have here at SERP. And H2, or keywords in H2, has the most longevity. There's been times where it's been the most important factor or the most correlating factor, but it has the longest longevity for weeks, months, years, going back 4 or 5 years as being one of the top factors for ranking your website on the front page of Google. It's number 3 this week. Keywords in meta description, extra terms and titles. Now, this would be not the keyword alone in your title, but important extra words like top reviews, best, 2022. So if you're in a industry where you're doing reviews, or you're in an industry that uses extra words a lot, those are the terms you're going to have to put in your titles to rank in those particular topics. Now, before I show you the rest of the list, I want to let you know, if we can get 50 likes on this video and 50 comments, I'm going to go ahead and provide this Excel spreadsheet publicly in the comments and on every video going forward, so that you can look at the history of these rankings week by week. That's the exact reason why I started putting this into a Google Sheet, so that it can be shared one day and you can go back through and look at the progression of the top on-page SEO factors. So go ahead, if you want that data, if you want to help out, go ahead, hit the like button, go ahead and comment. If you've done that on our prior videos, thank you, but we need it on this video also. And if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. So now back to the video here. Let's move to the next term. That's going to be keywords in sentences. Keywords in sentences are definitely important. This factor comes up a lot. It moves in and out of the top 20, but it's definitely there. Keywords in H1, keywords in H3, and outbound links. This is what represents the top 20. Now, you're not seeing 20 individual listings because a lot of these overlap with another factor that's very, very similar. So we could just go ahead and combine that. That's not why that's why you're seeing just this list and not a list of 20 individual ones, could be because some factors are combined into others. But this is the top 20 that we can find that correlate to top rankings on the front page of Google for the top of Google, that the rest of the top 100 is either lacking in or missing or not doing very well. So, guys, I did want to make an announcement. We did reach 20 likes on our prior video, so we will be doing analysis on Bing. It's not going to come in on this video. It's probably not going to come in the next couple of future videos. It will take some time to get Bing in here, but we will include Bing in our series going forward. It might just take a few weeks to actually roll out. So I did want to let you know about that. And if you haven't already, go ahead, hit like, hit comment. If we can get 50 likes and 50 comments, I'm going to go ahead and make this Excel spreadsheet available every video going forward. And we did get the 20 that we needed for Bing and Microsoft. But go ahead, hit the like, make a comment, and go ahead and get this Excel spreadsheet. And then if you haven't, go ahead and take the minute to subscribe. It'll definitely help our channel. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.